Welcome, everyone. Today we are going to talk about one of my favorite topics, making money in stocks. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking, stocks? That sounds complicated and risky. But fear not. With a little bit of knowledge and patience, anyone can become a successful stock investor. In fact, did you know that investing in stocks has been one of the most effective ways to build wealth over the long term? According to historical data, the average annual return for the S&P 500 index, a benchmark for the overall stock market, is around 10%. That means if you had invested $10,000 in the S&P 500 30 years ago, it would be worth over $170,000 today. So, if you're looking for a way to grow your wealth, stocks might just be the answer. William J. O'Neill is an American entrepreneur, investor, and writer. He was born in Oklahoma in 1933 and grew up in Texas. O'Neill attended Southern Methodist University before dropping out to pursue a career in the stock market. In 1963, O'Neill founded the investment research firm, William O'Neill Plus Company Incorporated. The company's flagship publication, Investor's Business Daily, quickly became one of the most widely read financial newspapers in the United States. In addition to his work with the company, O'Neill has also authored several books on investing, including the best-selling How to Make Money in Stocks. O'Neill is widely regarded as one of the most successful investors of all time. His investment strategy, known as the ConSlim system, has helped many investors achieve significant returns in the stock market. The ConSlim system is an investment strategy developed by William O'Neill that has been proven successful in the stock market. It consists of 7 key components that investors should look for when selecting stocks to invest in. The first component is current earnings, which looks at a company's earnings growth over the past few quarters. The second is annual earnings, which compares a company's earnings to the previous year. The third is new product or service, which looks at a company's ability to innovate and create new products or services. The fourth is supply and demand, which considers the number of shares available and the level of investor interest. The fifth is leader or laggard, which looks at a company's position within its industry. The sixth is institutional sponsorship, which considers the number of institutional investors holding shares in the company. And finally, the seventh is market direction, which looks at the overall direction of the stock market. One of the most successful stocks using the ConSlim system is Apple Incorporated, AAPL. In 2004, Apple was trading at around $10 per share. By 2012, it had soared to over $700 per share. This incredible growth was due in part to the company's strong earnings and sales growth, as well as its innovative products. Another example of a successful stock using the ConSlim system is Amazon.com Incorporated, AMZN. In 2001, AMZN was trading at around $7 per share. By 2020, it had skyrocketed to over $3,000 per share. This impressive growth was fueled by the company's dominance in the e-commerce industry, as well as its expansion into other areas such as cloud computing and digital content. One of the most important tips for successful stock investing is to do your research. This means taking the time to learn about the company you are interested in, including its financials, management team, and competitive landscape. By doing your homework, you can make more informed investment decisions that are based on facts rather than emotions. Another key tip for successful stock investing is to be patient. Investing in stocks is a long-term game, and it's important to have a long-term perspective. This means being willing to hold on to your investments even when the market is volatile or when there are short-term setbacks. By staying focused on your long-term goals, you can avoid making impulsive decisions that could harm your portfolio. In conclusion, the ConSlim system developed by William O'Neill is a powerful tool for successful stock investing. By following the 7 components of the system and doing thorough research, investors can increase their chances of finding successful stocks. Remember to be patient and not get discouraged by temporary setbacks. The stock market can be volatile, but with knowledge and discipline, it can also be a source of great wealth. Like and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one.